Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Irina. Look what I have for you today. Something new, something new. It is Harry Potter. I don't know what it is. It says series 3. I just saw the shape of it and I just like, I don't know what is in here. What is in here? So before I get started, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. And thank you those for watching me. And thank you those new subscribers. Please, I'm almost there. Now I need the viewing also. Please view, share, share, share. Thank you. So, oh, and by the way, you know, I'm always listening to something or anything. I have my sister on my ear, so if you hear me conversating about something, it's conversation. No bad things, no bad things. But let me get started. That you want? You painting your nails? You doing your nails? Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's doing her nails right now. I just don't want you guys thinking that I'm talking to myself. Half the time, I look like I'm talking to myself when I have the earpiece outside. You gotta see people looking at me like... They literally stare at me to see if I have a phone around me. And I'm like, what in the world? That happened this morning, too. I was like, I must look crazy. So I really don't know. It says a magic capsule. Do I gotta put water in this? I hope not. But look at the way these things are. Oh, I'm in love with the casing. No lie. Oh, and it has a backpack. Harry Potter. It's got a big H. I like the casing. Hopefully, because sometimes I might not like what's in the inside, but I like the casing. I'm weird like that. It's like, I don't know if anybody does this. When you're watching a video on YouTube or any of these platforms, do you pay attention to everything or are you paying to what they're talking about? Like, for instance, I'll be listening to somebody's YouTube, but I'm looking at their background. And I'm going, oh, I like that chandelier. Oh, I like that candle that's sitting right there. And it's nothing to do with the video. Nothing to do with the video. Nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I like her ring or I like her bracelet. Did you see what she had on? Yo, I'm very weird like that. So... I thought I was the only one weird. I do that a lot. A lot. So I'll be looking at furniture in the background too. Or whatever is in the background. Like, and not really totally focused on what the person is talking about. Like right now, I'm doing this. But you guys probably looking the curtain behind me. The thing behind me. Or my shirt, my necklace. So it's little stuff like that I'll be doing. I look at everything. Everything. Look how... I think these are so cool. What do you guys think? For my... Let's see if I do my... I'm gonna open the first one. Opening the first one. If I can open this. Let me see. How you open this? Oh, I see. You see there's 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 spaces for me to open. So let me open the first one. It says number 1, which is this. Can I open this? I think I need scissors for this. I don't have the nails for it. Oh, by the way, look how my nails look now. The tips broke off. I'm telling you. I did a Minnie Mouse nail tips. They broke because I'm very rough with stuff. I've been cleaning, moving things around, and I've been very tomboyish. I'm not being soft with stuff. I'm not being all delicately doing things. I'm just like boom, boom, boom. Need things scrubbed. I'm scrubbing it, and this is why my nails look all broken and faded, because I'm scrubbing things. Like, it's summertime. It's the springtime. So, you know when you springtime, you clean your house? Well, I've been doing that. I can't open this, girl. Oh, I got it. Finally, found one. What's in here? You kidding me? Hogwarts. This is a hot warg. See what they gave me? A little card. It says number 2 on it. There's nothing else in here? Look. So it's like a little compartments in this thing. Now I'm going to compartment 2. I wonder if this thing opens up to... Oh, yeah. Number 3, 4. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to find out now. Well, in a minute. I'm opening compartment number 2. What's compartment number 2 have? You kidding me? Another cardboard. It has the liquid. Or tears. I'm not sure. Yeah, like a teardrop or something. Okay, next. It's number 3 here. Door no. Yeah, guys, you need scissors. Little small scissors to open these things. And be careful because you can break the plastic. It's so delicate. This seems... Okay, I got it. I got it. Oh, magical. We got... Let me look this off a screen because... Ah, magical. Okay, so this is what it is. It's a magical capsule. And these are the ones that might be in there. And this is like a mystery one. Isn't that cool? So let me see what else is in here. What is this? Is this a map? It says a text. Dig all alley. It's an envelope. Like the Harry Potter envelopes. Is there something in here? There's something in here. Maybe a wand? Oh, look at this. An envelope. A Harry Potter envelope. Oh, let's see what else they got. They got more stuff in here. There's more stuff in here. Look, another envelope. Yes, a dig on. So this is another thing here. I feel a little thing here. So all of these little packages I gotta open. There's more packages. Hold up. I'm liking this. The more stuff I dig out, the more fun I have. Oh, it is so cute. And what's in here? There's a big pack. Oh. Now I can't get it out. I got it. This is a big pack. That has to be the figure in here. And it says Hogwarts. We're in Hogwarts. For those Harry Potter lovers. And there's another envelope. What? I just keep coming out with envelope. That's it? There's nothing else, but look how cute the casing is. This is what I be saying. I fall in love with the casings. Yeah, I can utilize that as a jewelry box. Okay, let me open up the small ones first. Is this opened right here? Oh, and by the way, these Minnie Mouse tips were actually from Five and Below that I bought. The Minnie Mouse tips, the kid size, because I got little hands. And I put the little kids Minnie Mouse on, and then I encapsulated them. But like I said, I've been working and cleaning and spring cleaning my house and scrubbing everything that I kind of like filed them down all the way down. unwantedly. I'm trying to open these. But I'm going to do my nails. But I am going to do it differently this time. I'm going to prep my nails first. I'm going to build them, basically. What's in here? Can you guys see in there? There's something little in there. What the world is this? I'm going to show you guys. What is this? Can you guys see this? Mira esta cosita they gave me. What is this? It's gold and is that little? What? Guys, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Write it down in the comments, because... No, it doesn't say what the envelope's just... Let me see if there's anything else in the envelope. No, it just says here... Let me see if it says it here. I can't really read this. Let me see. Where's my magnifying glass? I need my glass. I think it says... I don't know. It says text dig on alley. And then it's a seal. It's sealed and it has an eagle on it. I mean, not eagle. The owl. Yeah, remember the magic world is with an owl. And it says here, beloved owl. I don't know. So, yeah, the white owl that you be seeing in Hogwarts. Everything says the same thing. It doesn't say anything different. So let me see if I can open this one. It's cool so far. I just want to know what these things are. I mean, and does it show here what they are? Those little things? Nope. Nope. This? No. This one. The figure gotta be in here. And it doesn't come with anything on it. It's nothing written. It just says Hogwarts, big H. It looks like a box. Como un baúl. Like a trunk. It looks like a trunk. I'm over here chilling, doing video. Alright. Hopefully you guys had enjoyed your Easter. Mine was quiet. Mine was very quiet. Peaceful. I was supposed to do stuff with my grandkids, but they had an outing. So, yeah, they went to the movies. They took them out to the movies, so I was like, you know what, let them, I'll see them another day. And look what I got. No, Destiny and the kids. Look at the jug. I have a teeny jug, look. This is gonna go with my miniature stuff. You know, I'm into the miniature stuff, guys. This fits to my, I guess this is a magic potion. It's a jug. It's a small jug. I don't know what's in it. It gotta be potions because, you know, we're talking about Hogwarts. Okay, now what's in this one? This one feels like a wand because it's long. No, it feels like a wand. It's straight. It's like a stick. I feel a stick. I'm calling it. I'm saying it's a wand. The wizard's cane could be that too. What is this? I don't know. Maybe a king? Is this? Or a wand? Oh, maybe it's a wand. Maybe let's, depending on who comes out of the bag. Yeah, because it, you see, almost looks like a wand. Yeah, it looks like a wand. I have one. I have one of my own. Yeah. Hold on, I'll pause. Okay, guys, this is my wand. Yes, I have my own wand. Do I wish I had magical powers? Oh, yes, every day. Every day. You know? Beautiful, right? And I have another one. You can actually make your own. This one I bought. Isn't it pretty? You can buy them. You can make them your own. There's kits that you can make them your own. And an actual put your own energy on your wand because it works with your energy. It's something different. Really cool to learn. But let's get back to this. To my little last envelope. If I don't know what this feels like in here, but it feels like something big in here. Okay, what is this? I don't know. A broom? I don't know. But what are these? I don't know. Let me see. Does it have anything here? No. Nope. It looked like a broom to me. But it looks like a special edition. I have a special edition one if it has this. Yep, it says here it's blank. So I got a special edition one. I don't know. They won't tell me who it is. So it's a surprise. It's probably, let me see. No, because Harry Potter's right there. So who would be? Maybe Hogwarts, the magician? Because he's the only one that... Okay. Now, the next thing, look, it's going to take me a little time because each one has different. So, do I fill this up with water in here? And I put this in there? It says water, girl. I have to put water. Yeah, I got my water. It says a capsule that it got to reveal itself. So, whatever it's covered in, it's got to deteriorate and then it reveals the character. Yeah, they're coming out with different ways of... Oh, no, I don't have to. Oh, I knew it. I guessed it. It's the little bad boy one. What's his name? Forgot his name. It is not George or Fred. It's the other one, the little blonde one. The one that he was always fighting with. The one that he was always competing with. I don't know. You guys tell me his name. So what do you mean submerge in water? Why would I do that with the... I didn't get it. Oh, you mean this is supposed to get wet? Is this supposed to get wet? Secret clue is in here. For real? It says 10 of these are collectibles. 10 of them. Should I wet it? Let me see. Let me see if that what it is. I don't see how does this work getting wet. It didn't do anything, guys. It got wet. I think it's just to say water. Let me get my napkin, my towel here. It didn't change color. Oh. Wait a second. It's revealing in the back. Something is being revealing in the back. Oh, so I did have to pour water in the back to reveal what's... Who is this? 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 Who is It reveals the name of him. Serpent Sortia? Serpent Sortia? Is that that's who this is? Wow. That's cool. It had a gray back. And let me show you what it come up. That is what's revealed when you wet this card. No fun, because if you wet it too much, it start dissolving in the sides. I guess it's supposed to be a secret. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a secret, and then it dissolves like Mission Impossible. Once you get your assignment, poof, you no longer have this information. It goes poof. Okay, so far so good. I like him. Let me put your stuff inside here. Oh. Does this get wet too? I think this too. This card. Oh. So one gets wet and the other one gets scratched. Wow. Let me get a penny. The one that has the little outfit like this, little badge thing like this, is scratched. You scratch the back. And the other one you wet. Oh, wow. What is this? A snake. So it's a serpent. So you're a serpent. See, I haven't seen Harry Potter in a very long time, since my kids were kids. So I kind of forgot the storyline a little bit. So forgive me, guys. I know the serpent. Yeah, look. Voila. Cool. So I got one that you get wet. Oh, wow. And look at this. It disappeared again. So it only appears when you wet it. It disappeared. It disappeared because, yeah, it's a magic card. Okay, so we got this. The little tiny little bottle. I still don't know what this is. Maybe a fly? A golden fly? I have no idea. Do you hold this? Oh. Maybe a boomerang? Huh. And then you have the stick that holds here. It's very weird. Let me put the wand in his hand. There you go. You got the wand. Ta-da! And then you got the broom. And the broom on the other side. There you go. Ta-da! Alright, let me open the next one. See what in the next one is. Alright, this is my first one. Alright, the second one will be... Where's the first door? Okay, I need the scissors. Because I have no nails. These nails, every time I use them, they break. Okay. So we got another one. Got another little scratch card. Alright. So let's scratch this one and see what this is first. What is this? A lion? This is a lion? That's what it looks like. I got a little lion. Yep, that's the scratching one. Now let me go to number 2. I think number 2 is the one you wet. Yep. So what I do is get a little drop on my finger and rub it says here encourage you. Gio. It says encourage you. It says Giorgio. In Giorgio. I have no idea. Look, guys, I have not seen Harry Potter in a long time, so don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. And don't kill me for it. Again, another Harry Potter list. Let's see if it's the same one. Because it's series 3. Does it tell me who is it? No. It doesn't tell me a surprise. But apparently, this is the mystery one. Okay? The one with this one. I got 1 envelope. 2 envelope. 3 envelope. 4 envelope. Wow, this is big. This is a magical creation. Wow, hogwash. I like this one. And then in here, a big toy. Nothing inside of it. This is another figure, I guess. Another Hogwarts figure. So, let's see. Do you got any clues? He's incorrigible. It looks like a lion. Let me see anybody here with a lion's name. I see George. Could he be George? Because they got Henry, Harmonia, George, Moody, Tonk, Fred, Dolores, Trillaway, and Neville. Okay, first envelope. Wow. What's in here? They're so tiny. It's so tiny. It's hard to... Another wand? No. This is a stick. Or another wand. Yeah. This looks like a wand. It's really, really tiny. You can't really see it. It's tiny. Yeah, it's a different type of wand. Let's see this one. Let's see. I don't know. What? It's a tiny little... Oh, what is this? Is this a bomb? Like a little... It has like a little fuse. What the world? It looks like a little bomb. Look at it. Yeah, little magic bombs. With it, like, I forgot what they would use. It's not pottery. It's another word. It's another type of pottery they used to use to make the little bomb things like this or magic spells. It'll come to me. Terracotta. I think it's a terracotta pottery. If I'm correct, I think they used terracotta before. It's basically looks like brown clay. Like it's naturally in the ground. It's like a natural brown clay that comes out. and it's terracotta. They don't really use that anymore. Sometimes some things they do, but they use mostly powder and rice to make porcelain. Because if you want to make dough, you get a very good carpenter's glue, and you use rice powder. So basically the rice is already grounded up to a powder form, and you mix that with glue, and that kind of comes into like a dough, because you got to mold it and knead it like dough, and it becomes like a porcelain or clay, and it gets hardened like porcelain. So for those that want to do natural, instead of buying the molding clay or molding clay, they make their own with rice. Oh my god, I'm running out of how to open this. It won't open. By the time I get to the bottom, I remove all the words. I think I opened it the wrong way. From up here. Because it's not opening. Yeah, from up here. What is this? A rocket? Yeah, it has to be a rocket. Yeah. It looked like a rocket to me. The ones with the kids you put in the bottom of the cup and the thing, and they put a little thing and it shoots up in the air. The old school stuff, yeah. The one that goes ping, pop. That one. Because all you hear is ping, pop. Yeah. Yeah, it flies up with a little chipita and then it goes pop. Man, it comes right back down. This one says a magical creatures in here. Do you have to open this? What is this? It says magical creature. There's a magical creature in here. I don't know.